Speaking about custom-made item, the first command we can find in custom tool palette is custom worktop. Custom worktop permits me to create a worktop, but before I need to draw the shape as we did for the cold room or the floor grate command. So we have inserted a pillar in our drawing, and now I can use, for example, the polyline command just to draw the shape as we did before. I can start with my shape, supposing from this point. Okay, I move up 550, and then I can create 3,500, for example, and 1,400. Just to draw the shape I want to create. I can go there, then this point, that point, and then I can also use a C for close the polyline. In this way, we have created our shape around the pillar. If you want, you can also create always with a polyline the backsplash, and you can use offset command 20 millimeters, for example, to create the offset. Most important, as soon as you create the offset, you have to select the previous polyline and delete it. So now we have created a shape for our custom worktop and another shape, another polyline to identify the backsplash. We can also use fillet command, and for example, if we want to round, so we can specify a radius, maybe 20 millimeters, just to round the corners. Of our shape. Well, now I can run custom worktop. Obviously, I draw on 0 layer, most important. And we can run now custom worktop. Custom worktop works directly with demo special items, and it permits to choose a stainless steel worktop, otherwise wood, glass, blue, or marble, or other kind of materials. I would like to insert a stainless steel worktop, and I can identify also the height of the backsplash. 120 is the default, but if you want, you can also reduce 110 millimeters. You can identify the end height of your worktops, for example, 900, and the depth of the worktop, 40, and that's correct, that's enough for me. I can press OK button. First of all, the software asks to identify the external side for the worktop. So I can select the shape created for the worktop, and then we can press Enter. Secondly, it asks the backsplash lines. We have there identify the shape for the backsplash. So I select and I can press Enter. And now it asks a point inside the worktop. You can click a point And as you can see, it inserts the position number in the center of your worktop. It means that it has created your worktop. If you change the point of view and you move in 3D, isometric view, you can see the end result. We can also apply the shadow. Realistic visual style. And you can see the worktop just inserted with your backsplash line. We can come back to the plan to insert the equipment under our worktop.